Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. We've got a 2012 Dodge Ram 2500 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel, crew cab short bed with a flatbed. We've detailed the truck today, so we have pulled it out of the shop and parked it here. It's cooled down. It hasn't been driven more than the distance you see. That's the extent of the cold start, but 70 degrees down here in downtown Kansas City, so not a very cold day to begin with. But let's hop into this cold start. It is a mid-trim truck, so we got cloth seats, power options as far as lumbar, power adjustment, power windows, locks, mirrors. It is not a work truck, but it's not a fancy Laramie truck either. 2012 model, and the miles, as you can see, it is cold there. 274,518 on the miles. Truck runs and drives awesome. There's no lights, no check engine lights, no issues. We do have a TPMS light on. I have the tire pressure set at 50. With these big 35s on here, it rides its best at 50 psi, but the factory is looking for 65. So other than that, nice little truck. It's got your shift on the fly. It has your trailer brake or your tow haul. It's got your air brake for the turbo. Let's see here. Ice cold AC, hot heat. It is a four-wheel drive, of course. CD player with your auxiliary jack so you can get your tunes going. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and they are tow mirrors, of course. Other than that, it's got your home link buttons up here if you want to program your garage door opener. Seating for 6 throughout this. Little storage tray down here. I always forget about this. I love these Dodges because they got that extra storage compartment down there. But this is a real great truck. We actually towed one of our dualies out to Holden, Missouri in this truck. Did great. I don't know. It's an hour and a half for us. But all in all, nice truck. Tinted windows. Tinted windows and 35s are the only modifications we did to this truck. We did also put some black housing headlights on it, but other than that, we got it the way you see it. Flatbed was on it. As far as the engine goes, it does have an Egr Delete and a full straight exhaust. Other than that, it's a one-owner rig, fully maintained. We didn't do too much to it. We went through the suspension, the drive line, couple little odds and ends, but nothing major. I mean, it's a turnkey rig ready to work, so let's pop outside and walk around and look it over and kind of go over a few things. Just trying to get you a feel for the inside here. Truck's got the nice running boards on it, of course. Factory. .7 turbo diesel. Like I said, EGR is gone. Stock intake. Got your blocker plates on it. No blow by at all. Really nice truck. I mean, it's been worked. It's a 12 with 270, so 8 years on the road, 270K, a little rough math. What is that? 25,000 a year, roughly 30,000, somewhere in that genre. Chrome bumper, fog light, brand new black housing headlights, stock wheels. 35, 1250, 17, or wait, these are 18s, I believe. Let's check. Nope, 17s. 35, 1250, 17. 10 ply mud terrain tires. 2-inch leveling kit installed in there. Yeah, that's about it. Like I said, tinted windows, tow mirrors. Not a whole lot going on with this truck, but it's super clean. It's just got a, let me stand back so you can see. It has a real nice stance to it. It's just a beefed up truck, you know. It's a short bed flatbed, which is kind of a weird one. You don't see a lot of these. It's got a nice headache rack. It's got a gooseneck hitch already set up in it. Flatbed's in pretty good shape. It's not a rusty truck either. It is a Crownline flatbed. All LED lighting too. It's got your tow package down there as well. Got some toolboxes on each side of it. Truck came out of the south, got some red clay on it, but not rusty at all. A little surface rust underneath the flatbed, but nothing crazy. Just trying to walk around and give you a feel for it here. Like I said, it is deleted with a stock tune on it. No power. Has a stock muffler on there as well. I don't know if you can see that from where I'm at. I'm trying to show you. Yeah, there it is. Like I said, nice little bed. It's got a couple toolboxes on it. Nothing crazy, but one heck of a little flatbed. Back seat, got a little tear in it there. A little one right there too. It's got the storage boxes in the ground. Rumor has it you can fill these with ice and beer and stay cold all day, but what would I know about that? All in all though, this is a super cool truck. These fortunes are really nice. Got your jack under the seat there. Passenger seat is manual. Only the driver's power. Truck has the dual glove boxes. And it does have the 115 volt AC plug as well on the dash there, which is always nice. In case you need to run some machinery or a blender for cocktails, whatever you need, it's there. It's ready for you. All in all, real clean truck. I mean, as far as damage and dings, there's nothing I really need to point out. We do got some rock chips down here at the bottom of the fender. And I didn't show you the cab corner. Let me get down here, show you on this passenger side what we got going on. But as you can tell, it's super clean. There's no rust, there's no rot. Really nice condition on this frame and everything, so. But overall, really nice truck. I'm just going to finish this walk around so you guys get the full view of this angle. And it is lifted a couple inches. Like I said, we got a 2.5, I think it's 2.5 inch leveling kit, so this truck does sit pretty high, but nothing crazy. We got all the alignment and everything done on it, so if you are interested in this truck, you know the drill, guys. 816diesel.com, that is my website. Head on over to the website now. You're going to find HD pictures, VIN number, pricing, info, everything I just covered you're going to find on the website. So if you need to show it to your bank or figure out the details, it's all over there. So head over to the website for all the information. My name's Cameron, down here at 816 Diesel. If you got any questions, you can call me direct. Shop phone number 816-298-7030, or my cell phone 913-735-3748. Let me know what I can do to help. This is a real cool truck. We've had it around for a while. It just took us a little bit of time to get it up, but everyone seems very interested in it, so I don't think it'll be around long, but what do I know? But I appreciate your guys' time. Again, if you have any questions, get a hold of me. If you want to come drive it or check it out, let me know. We're usually around 6 days a week to make it happen. So thanks for your time, guys. You have a great rest of your week out there, and I'm just going to take this truck on a little cruise, show you how she runs out, and hope you enjoy.